Hello, I'm Anita Taylor. Welcome to this video on our SMC X Pro ultrasensitive immunoassay system. As with all highly sensitive immunoassay platforms, proper pipetting techniques are important for generating high-quality data. When pipetting, it is important to use the correct pipettes and tips based on the volume to be transferred. In this video, we will go over two pipetting methods when running SMC assays. Let's get started. Forward pipetting is suitable for transferring aqueous solutions and can be used for performing serial dilutions, reconstituting standard material, and adding samples to the filter plates during the SMC workflow. Begin by turning the pipette volume dial to the correct setting and load the pipette tips. Press the plunger to the first stop and lower the tips to below the liquid surface. Next, pre-wet the tips 3 times and slowly release the plunger to aspirate the sample, and bring the pipette tip over to transfer the liquid into the receiving vessel. To dispense the sample, angle the pipette tip at 45 degrees while touch tipping against the vessel wall, and press the plunger to the first stop. Do not blow out from the pipette when dispensing, as this will generate bubbles. This method will maximize precision among replicate wells. Reverse and repetitive pipetting is useful for quickly and precisely dispensing small and equal volumes of liquid from the same source to multiple wells using the same set of tips. This method can be used while distributing coated microparticles and dispensing detection antibody solution. Begin by depressing the plunger past stop 1 and aspirate the liquid. To dispense the liquid, touch the tip against the vessel wall and push the plunger only to the first stop to dispense the intended volume. Do not go past the first stop, as the residual liquid in the tip is the difference between the original aspirated volume and the desired volume required in the well. From there, the same sequence can be used to aspirate and deliver liquid to additional wells using the same tips. We hope you have enjoyed this video on pipetting techniques to help you get the most out of your SMC assays. Please visit us at the website to uncover more information about the SMC ultrasensitive immunoassay technology. Thank you for watching.